in our income tax, in our IPCC, we don't have to assess related to company. There are rarely few sums related to the SSC being company. The SSC are being only individuals in our practice manual. So if you go through, there are very few sums, hardly 5 to 6 sums related to the company. The SSC is a company. So if you have to study this, because there might because in previous few attempt I saw some sums related to RDD. There was a full-fledged 4 marks sum on RDD they have given related to company, and they have told to calculate the deduction. Just calculating deduction was for 4 marks. You have to write this whatever theory I am giving in a paragraph manner. I am giving you in the shortcut manner so that you remember it. If you remember the shortcuts, then you can write in a paragraph manner. That I am quite confident about, because whatever I am speaking, that is registering in your brain. If you want, you can listen to my lectures before exam, because my videos are quite small videos. If you want, if you miss out something, if you can write somewhere over the theory book video, and write the time related to that, so that you can go on YouTube and fast forward and check the video at the particular minute, and you memorize everything, because this all are very easy things. If you want, you can do that. You can just write how what minute the bad debts were started, what minute RDD started. That's it. Okay, so now let's see, in case of financial institution, the following manner will be allowed as deduction. There is a formula for this, so let's see the formula first. Actual RDD for financial institution. Wait, let me draw a chart. Financial institution. Wait, let me write specifically over here. Wait, I have a specific chart for this. First, I need to make amendments over here. Sorry for this. Write in bracket here PFI, SFC, SIIC, SB. Now it will be quite easier. Please pause the video and copy. I hope you all have copied this much. Now see, deduction will be allowed to PFI slash SFC slash SIIC slash SB in following manner, and this is for other banks and financial institution. These are specified financial institution, and these are other banks and financial other banks and other financial institution. Okay, so the manner is actual RDD for this specified financial institution, actual RDD, or 5% of gross total income. You all don't worry about the gross total income, because gross total income will be given in the question, but it will be including RDD. You have to exclude RDD from that. This is a very important step, right? Important step. Don't miss this out. Step. Do not miss this out. Okay, please write like this, so that while you are reading, you will be quite cautious, because this was my pattern while I was studying. So I did this, and I used to get it like shooting on the fish eye. I used to get my weaknesses where I do mistake, and while solving the sum, I used to recall, okay, I have written in my theory book, don't miss out this step, and I am not going to miss out this step. So that's it. It as good as your theory only. 5% of gross total income. And in case of other banks and financial institution is first, okay, this is not complete yet. Whichever is lower will be allowed. So right, whichever is lower is allowed. Okay, my down arrow means whichever is lower is allowed. Okay, my up arrow is whichever is higher is allowed. Second, actual RDD. Second has a part C. 7.5% of gross total income excluding RDD plus 10% of aggregate, I hope it is visible to you all, aggregate average rural advance. I hope this much is clear. You have to memorize the formula. I hope you all have written bad debts part. Now please copy down RDD part. This is very simple. You have to memorize it. I hope you all have copied this much. Let's move on. There are now 3 parts remaining. Wait, let me fold my book. This was 6th. RDD was 6th. Now 7th is, let me little bit zoom out. Now 7th is family planning expenses. This is very many of you all might be laughing. Let me clarify what is family expenses. Family planning expenses related to family planning expenses means you might have heard about copper teas. I'm feeling so embarrassed to teach it on YouTube. You might have, let me go on still. You might have heard about copper teas that is a capital expenditure. If such expenditure are done by the companies, that expenditure relating to family planning expenses will be allowed in five equal years. That is, the first part will be allowed in the previous year and the remaining 4 parts will be allowed in the next previous year, in the next previous years respectively. Respectively is very important. So now let's see. Family planning expenditure, that is revenue. If revenue, then not allowed. Simply understand this much. You don't need to get into this. Is not allowed. Capital expenditure. Capital expenditure. In this all copper teas and all stuff, I'm not a medical student, so I don't know what is capital expenditure, but I have studied little bit for my benefit, so that I remember family planning expenditure. So if you all want, you can also write copper tea over here. Now don't ask me what is copper tea. if many of you all might have understood, many of you all might not understand what is copper tea. So such expenses into 1/5, that is allowed into 5 equal years. Okay, so family planning expenditure if revenue not allowed, family planning expenditure if capital expenses, such expenses will be allowed into 5 equal years. The expenses will be divided into 5 and each part will be allowed into the previous years. Okay, I hope family planning is clear. Now there are 2 small parts. It is very simple. Security transaction tax allowed as expenses. 9. Commodity transaction tax allowed as expenses. Okay, right. 10. Income tax not allowed as expenses. Income tax is related to the SSC. It is a personal expenses. It won't be allowed. If you want, rewind the video, listen to what I have said, what I have dictated, and write it under it, because it is not important. Many of you all know income tax is a personal expenses. 12. Wealth tax. There are 2 parts. Related to business allowed, personal not allowed. Please first write family planning expenditure. Let me zoom it. I hope this is quite visible. Please copy this much. Please copy this much. Pause the video and copy this much.